Mojo Vlogs. Welcome back to another video. Today, serious business up in here. So we're doing a science project, and the science project is his first. We're doing his first, and then we're gonna do mine after. I think tomorrow. Okay. Anyway, I like episode. Okay. So today is gonna be fun. Some serious business, but fun. My dad did say to keep this YouTube channel educational, but he didn't say how educational. So, what we're doing today, shh, don't tell him. We're gonna be taking his truck for burnouts. But y'all didn't hear the rest. The burnouts are gonna be educational. And I am going to be launching stuff, yeeting it into skies. And also, I'm using something to drop onto the plank, and which is gonna, aka catapult. Tomorrow. Mine's about burnouts. Who does not like burnouts? Said like.
What is a burnout?
Burnouts. Everyone loves burnouts, and if you don't know what that is, it's when your tires are spinning. So the way you can do this is by flooring your car. And it works on cars and trucks and automotive vehicles.
So if you're trying to impress the girl.
Why burnouts, would you say? No. The reason why we're doing this is because girls like burnouts. So this is one way to impress a girl. So basically I'm trying to get more tire spin, which creates more smoke, which means friction, stuff like that.
And if it doesn't burn out?
And if it does a burnout, then go find a different truck. Better not be a Chevy.
Or you could be like, you don't want to start off and be like, whoa.
Yeah, you want to have awesomeness, not you go, should sound like squealing.
Okay.
And we'll see y'all in the results. Alright, let's see where this goes. Pretty sure it would grab, but with the face that he gave me, it's probably not. Dad's gonna shine a light on it. Sheesh. This is honestly a really cool truck. First, this is Trey, and I was just gonna ask you, why are you letting us do this?
In the name of science.
Good answer. And then, did you see anything else? Like, did you see a difference from the first run to the second run?
I think in a truck with less power and more weight in the rear end, you may see a difference in air pressure change. This truck's just got a little bit too much wheels, but stay tuned. We may have another truck that gives us some better results.
A regular Chevrolet with a lot less power.
Exactly.
All right, well, thank you for being in this interview and helping us out with this.
Appreciate it.
So, we'll see y'all. Okay, the way we're gonna do this is get your materials. So the things that you'll most likely need is tire gauge, rolling tape measure, air compressor, and a truck. Okay, so we're using Dad's Burton Group truck. And then basically we're gonna be doing burnouts. It's gonna be fun. And
Action.
okay, first we have to measure how much we're doing for the PSI for the first run. So for the first run, we're doing 45 PSI. And then 25,
What's the recommended pressure?
35.
Alright, let's go on the other side. Check in.
Alright, I'll hook this up.
Go ahead and start
Here,
putting
Joe,
in
put this in the truck. How much air we put in?
45.
Like how many seconds should you get there, Joe?
How much is this one?
45.
Alright.
top though, because you can tell. And for the second run, we're gonna go to 35 PSI. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, right on the dot. So it's at 35. We're gonna run it at 35, see how far it goes. I think he's gonna start exactly right here, but on the road. So let's see how that goes. And for the last one, I know you've been waiting for this one. It's the 20 PSI mark. Let's go give that one a shot and see how that turns out. Go! Yeah. Joe, right here. It didn't go that far this time. Why does it say 121?
Did you reset it?
Oh no, it says 21. I'm just reading wrong. 21.2. Alright, we're gonna go back on 35 to see if it just wasn't warm enough to do it. So we're gonna try it 35. He's gonna air it up real quick.
What's your prediction?
I think it's gonna spin more, go for further distance because of less surface contact. Ready, set, go! That was sad. Right there. That was kind of sad. Okay, for the results, we've got back from doing the burnouts. No, I'm joking. Okay, so for the first burnout, we had to test it with 45 PSI, which the recommended is 35. So we went over a little bit, we went under a little bit, and then we went on the manufacturer's recommended PSI. So with the 48, I got 60 feet and 8 inches, which is kind of far if you ask me. And then with the second run, which actually turned out pretty well, we went to 35 PSI, which I think this went a little off, if you know what I mean. It went 101! Are you crazy? Someone got the stats wrong? Come fix these. And it went 1 inch also. 1 inch counts. And then for the third run, which actually went a lot lower than I thought it was gonna go. It went 21 feet, and that was with 20 PSI. Could you believe that? Yes, you could, because that's pretty low. And then for the fourth run, which kind of surprised me, because we did another 35 PSI, which got 101. And this one got 47 feet, which kind of made me think 47 is more legit. Because we have an old rusted truck. Dad. And so those are basically the results. Stay tuned to watch my burnout.
Ready? Yeah. Set. Go. You got scared?
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright, cool. Turn in here. Okay.
Okay, the hypothesis of this experiment was I done forgot. Don't talk too much.
That's staying in the video.
Don't
Okay, and action.
I don't know the hypothesis.
It's okay, we got all the camera you need.
I know.
Oh, we don't. I was being.
Dang, what was my hypothesis? More tire pressure will equal more spinning. Okay. Action. Okay. More tire spin. Oh, dang it. I forgot to say hypothesis.
Alright, you ready? Beat your head on the door a couple more times. And action.
Did you catch on the camera? Okay. So the hypothesis of this experiment is if I put more air pressure in the tire, it'll spin more, which will be shown if it's right or wrong. But according to these stats that I got right here, it's right. It's awesome pause. Like that did it.
That was good.
Yeah, no.
Why will you get more traction? Why will you get more wheel spin with more pressure? That's the question. And
I wasn't listening.
the reason we're gonna get more wheel spin is
Okay. The reason that we're gonna get more wheel spin is because the walls are tighter of the tire. Walls of the tire. Like that. What did I even do?
you're inflating it and the tires.
That was blowing up.
You're blowing up the tires.
Okay, the reason that this would happen is because of the tires will inflate, which will make the side walls of the tire expand, tighten, and have less surface contact. More tire spin. Tire spin. Tire spin. Echo, echo, echo.
Perfect.
I forgot the video, bro.
Oh, you're lying.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes. Unless I pressed it the last second when I looked at
One
it.
more time.
Alright. This time I'm videoing.